Welcome to our Moodle tutorials that we are making in Erasmus Plus project React Digital. In this video, we will show how to use the resource called the file. This resource is used for putting files on the platform. Most common files are Word documents, Excel, and PDFs. As we can see here, there are already 3 files under the theme File, a PDF, a Word, and an Excel document. When we click on the file PDF, a new pop-up window is opened, which shows the content of the document. When we click on the Word document, it is automatically downloaded on the computer. The same happens with Excel documents. In order to put a resource file on the Moodle platform, we must enable editing by clicking Turn Editing On, which is on the right upper corner. Then, under the theme, which is here called File, we click Add an activity or resource. As we have a resource here, we click on Resources and select an icon for File. In the open window, we write the title of the document under Name. In the description, we can give some information about the file itself. Then in the section Select Files, we click the icon plus, which is in the upper left corner, or we can click on the blue arrow in the middle. In the open window, we select a file from our computer and upload it on the platform. As we uploaded the file on the platform, we can adjust the way of its appearance, as in a pop-up window on the same page, or to be automatically downloaded on a computer. So we click on Appearance. Under Display, we can choose in a pop-up, or Open for opening as a new page, or Force Download for automatic download on the computer. Maybe it would be best to choose Automatic, so the system decides what is best for a specific file. After we have completed our work, we click on Save and Return to Course. If we want to change something, we click on Edit, select Edit Settings, and the editing window appears. But for now, we will cancel further editing. The same procedure is for Word and Excel documents. So this was a short tutorial on editing a resource called the file. Thank you for watching and check out our other tutorials.